Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Students, today we are going to have our lecture number 13 for ninth class. And lecture is about Sultan Ahmad Masjid. Students, we have completed our translation in the previous lectures and we have also done some exercise, and today we will do the remaining exercise of the lesson. First of all, we have an exercise that is degrees of comparison. Some adverbs like adjectives also have 3 degrees of comparison. Students, as adjectives have degrees of comparison, adverbs also have. For example, the mosque is so designed that even when it is most crowded, means most third degree is being used. Everyone in the mosque can hear and see the imam. That's why the mosque still remains to be one of the most frequented monuments of the world. Means in both of the examples, third degree is used. Complete this table with appropriate adverbs of degrees. Kept much. Students, here we will use the comparative degree as kept more, kept most. Sang beautifully, sang more beautifully, sang most beautifully. Then we have slept little, slept less and slept least. So the other two would be done by you. Then we have used the above degrees of comparison in sentences given in the example. They came early this morning. First degree is used, positive degree is used. I came earlier, comparative degree is used, and he came earliest of all. Here superlative degree is used. Now students, the things you are to do is you are to use the above given examples in your sentences, and you would use the 3 degrees, means you will use the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Then we have present perfect continuous tense. Students, the structure of the present perfect continuous tense is, students, let me tell you that present perfect continuous tense is the tense in which some part of an action is completed, is perfect, and some is still continued. Means, for example, in Urdu we can say हम सुबह से पढ़ रहे हैं. Means हमने कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ा भी है और अभी भी वो काम जारी है. The structure would be subject plus auxiliary verb plus auxiliary verb. Here auxiliary verb is main verb plus here auxiliary verb is helping verb plus main verb. There are basically 2 uses of present perfect continuous tense. Let's see the uses. An action that has just stopped or recently stopped. वो काम जो अभी अभी रुका है. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that started in the past and stopped recently. Means वो past में शुरू हुआ था और अभी हाल ही में रुका है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई एम टायर्ड बिकॉज आई हैव बीन रनिंग. क्योंकि मैं भागता रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं थका हुआ हूँ. मीन्स वो भागना उसने कब शुरू किया था, माजी में, लेकिन ख़त्म कब किया है, अभी अभी. वाई इज़ द ग्रास वेट. हैज़ इट बीन रेनिंग. क्या बारिश होती रही है. यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट बीन लिसनिंग. मीन्स तुम सुनते नहीं रहे हो. मीन्स जो कुछ कहा जा रहा था तुमने वो नहीं सुना. द सेकेंड वन इज़ एन एक्शन कंटिन्यूइंग अप टू नाउ. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that started in the past and is continuing now. यानी पास्ट में वो शुरू हुआ था और अभी तक वो जारी है. This is often used with for or since. We often use for and since with the present perfect continuous tense. Means for and since are not used when the action has been stopped. मीन जब काम रुक गया है तब हम फॉर और सिंस को यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन अगर वो काम अभी भी जारी है फिर हम यूज़ करेंगे. वी यूज़ फॉर टू टॉक अबाउट अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, 5 minutes, 2 weeks, 6 years. मीन्स द पीरियड, द टाइम दैट कैन बी काउंटेड, दैट इज़ काउंटेबल. वी यूज़ फॉर इट. एंड वी यूज़ सिंस टू टॉक अबाउट अ पॉइंट इन पास्ट टाइम. मीन्स जब किसी वक्त की तरफ इशारा किया जा रहा हो. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल 9 o'clock, 1 January, Monday. मीन्स ये अनकाउंटेबल है, वी कांट काउंट दैम. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आई हैव बीन रीडिंग फॉर 2 hours. मीन्स आई एम स्टिल रीडिंग नाउ, यानी मैं अभी भी पढ़ रहा हूँ. वी हैव बीन स्टडिंग सिंस 9 o'clock. मीन्स काम अभी भी जारी है. Students, then we have put for or since in the blanks. As I have told you that for is used for the time period that is countable, and since is used for the point of time that is not counted, that cannot be counted. I have been studying dash 3 hours. 3 hours can be counted, means 1 2 3 hours, so we will use for. I have been watching TV dash 7 p.m. Now it's a point of time, we will use since. Tara hasn't been feeling well dash 2 weeks. Now again 2 is here, so we will use for. So students, you will do the rest of the sentences by using since or for yourself. So this was our lecture for today. Thank you so much.